Hello health champions. Welcome to the channel. Toenail fungus, also known as onychomycosis, is a common issue many people face. Symptoms include inflammation, swelling, yellowing, and thickening or crumbling of the nail. Untreated toenail fungus can lead to cracking, splitting, and even the complete loss of the nail. However, treating toenail fungus doesn't have to be expensive. There are several home remedies that can effectively eliminate the infection within 1 to 2 months. Here are some natural ways to get rid of toenail fungus. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar's acidity can prevent the fungus from spreading while killing bacteria and fungi. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. Soak your toenail in the mixture for 30 minutes daily. Thoroughly dry your toenail afterward. Consistent daily use for a few weeks will yield quick results. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has germ-fighting and antifungal properties, making it effective for treating toenail fungus. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with 1 teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Apply the mixture to the affected toenail using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then gently scrub the nail with a toothbrush. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times daily until the nail is healed. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda is readily available and can treat toenail fungus while also preventing foot odor. Mix half a cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and half a cup of Epsom salt into 4 cups of hot water. Add a quarter cup of white vinegar to the mixture. Soak the affected toenail in this solution for 10 minutes. Rinse your foot with clean water and dry thoroughly. Perform this twice daily for several weeks. 4. White vinegar. White vinegar helps cure toenail fungus by fighting the infection and balancing the skin's acidity. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 2 parts warm water. Soak the toenail in the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your foot and dry it well. Do this twice daily until the fungus is gone. If it irritates your skin, dilute the mixture with more water and soak every other day instead. 5. Oil of oregano. Oil of oregano has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, making it useful for treating toenail fungus. Mix 2 drops of oil of oregano with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Apply the mixture to the affected toenail. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, then wash it off and dry thoroughly. Use this remedy 1 to 2 times daily for 3 weeks. 6. Listerine Soak. The alcohol in Listerine can kill germs and fungi. Fill a small tub with Listerine or a mixture of equal parts Listerine and white vinegar. Soak the affected toenail in the solution for 30 minutes, then scrub gently. Wash off and dry your toe thoroughly. Do this 1 to 2 times daily until healed. 7. Garlic. Garlic contains antifungal compounds allicin and ajoene. Mix garlic oil with an equal amount of white vinegar. Apply the mixture to the affected toenail and cover it with a bandage. Leave it on for a few hours, then rinse off. Repeat daily until healed. If you don't have garlic oil, make your own by frying 2 crushed garlic cloves in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and straining the oil. For these remedies to be effective, it's crucial to use them consistently for at least 1 to 2 months. By sticking to these treatments, you can cure your toenail infection and prevent it from recurring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.